Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has followed the white scenario so far. Yellow is invalidated, at least the yellow microstructure, making obviously a direct move down more likely. However, yellow isn't completely invalidated. As I said, only the microstructure. Let's remove the micro count because that got invalidated. The price has for quite some time now been moving between support and resistance. Now, finally, we see a little bit of action. Finally, the price starts to commit to something. Now, the fact that we are starting to break here to the downside and we have started to break below the 78.6 retracement strongly indicates the white scenario is playing out, and that means we have to prepare for invalidation of the yellow count as well, even though invalidation hasn't happened yet, so I can't confirm it. The invalidation point is here, around 30.3 cents. I am thinking, however, that this would look, extremely strange for it to turn around now, even though possible. So while this could all be still the third wave already in the making in the yellow count, just the microstructure shifted, it's unlikely. So it would be A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, but a break below the red line would invalidate the yellow count. Therefore, I'm actually considering, and it kind of makes more sense in the current situation, one second, that as long as we are not breaking below the August low, that we can simply say, and I will delete the micro support now, we don't need that either, that this wave 2 is still unfolding in yellow. Because there hasn't been a breakout to the upside, no confirmation as such that the third wave has started. Really, no confirmation. What would have been confirmation? Well, a first 5-wave move up. Have we seen any 5-wave move up since the September low? No. And therefore, we could still be in a wave 2 in yellow. Okay? Might just delay the move to the upside. So again, while ADA has kind of started to commit to the white count, at least it's not clearly committed to yellow. The yellow count still has a chance. It's not ruled out, okay? And that makes it so difficult here at the moment. We are still, even though micro support broke, we're still in an overall sideways range. Now, any break below the red line at 30.3 cents, you could say would make the the yellow count a little less likely, but it's not the formal invalidation point anymore. It was for the idea that a wave 2 bottomed here, but I now, based on the structure, find that less likely anyway. So I will remove the red line. It will be moved to the August low that formed at 27.5 cents. And as long as we're holding above it, yellow has a chance, but please note that the white count seems to be leading at the moment, and it would require a break above the 37.2 cent level to indicate the yellow count is starting to take the lead. So I will remove the micro resistance area now. And the idea is that if it's the white count, the third wave should send us down lower now. Then there should be a fourth wave and a fifth. I would prefer that the internal third wave down moves a little longer. Before then a 4-5 would wrap it all up. But again, it is possible a more substantial low formed already in August, but it's all about that pre-election uncertainty in the US. So I think we will have an answer quite soon. Overall, if you haven't watched any crypto stuff for the last few weeks and you've come back now, you haven't missed a thing. Okay, so that's unfortunately the situation. I know it's frustrating, but that's just how the markets are sometimes. So we just have to sit through it and wait for until it resolves itself. Until then, there are plenty of other charts that are a bit more interesting at the moment. Like Solana is one of them. Sui, for example, they are moving. ADA will, I'm sure, make a decision soon. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.